Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. DML command update. So update can be done to a single or few tuples or to the entire column. So in both the ways you can do this update. So first you will see the first method, how to update particular tuples alone. So here update, what is the meaning of update? You have already inserted few records. You want to make changes or you want to make modification in the entered record. So some particular value you want to change it. You go for update command. So update command will be working with var class. So var is a class which can be utilized with many types of commands like select or drop, any delete. So drop, it will not be working. Select or delete for these commands you can append this var class. So what is meant by var class? Var class is the class which helps you to impose condition. So you have to use the keyword var, then you have to give the column name is equal to, you have to give the value. So if you are giving that, those tuples which are satisfying the condition will be taken, and what you are giving. So you are giving select means it will be displaying. If you are giving update means the content will be updated. So that is the use of var command. If you are seeing example, it will be more clear. So how to update a particular value? We'll see the syntax. Update is the keyword, then you have to give the table name, then you have to give set, then you have to give which column, which new value. So I am going to change this column, this value. So if you are giving this, then you have to give the var condition. Var, you have to give the column name is equal to value. For example, this is my record. So now I want to change the content of Priyanka. So that is 1115. So update. The name of the table is student. Set. So age I want to set it like some 18. For whom I have to do this? I have to give it in the var class. So I am going to mention the condition as var register number is equal to 1115. So one row updated. Now if I am seeing, so initially see for Priyanka the age was null. Now for Priyanka it is updated with 18, which I gave it here. So update table name, you have to use the keyword set. So for which column you are going to set the column name and what value, that value you have to write it here. Then you have to select the tuple, right? So for that you have to write a var class having a condition. So var, what is the condition? Register number is equal to 115, 1115. So this is the condition. So only this tuple alone has been updated. So this is the first method. So suppose you are having a condition which is able to choose more than one tuple, means those tuples which are satisfying the conditions will be updated. So either if you want to update a single tuple or a particular number of tuples, this method will be used up. The second method is to update the entire column. So if you are just skipping the var condition, so if you are not imposing the var condition, the entire column will be updated. So here if you are seeing the age column, you are having 19, 18, 20, 21. Different varieties of ages you are having. Suppose update student set age is equal to 18. I am not imposing any condition. Then the entire age column will be updated. So 11 rows updated. So you select and see the entire age column has been updated with 18. Irrespective of the previous values like null, 19, 18, 20, 21, everything has been updated to 18. So this is how you have to update the entire column. So with update command, you can update either particular tuples with the help of var class, or if you are skipping the var class and you are not imposing any condition, then the entire column will be updated. So that's all regarding the update command. So the next one is delete and truncate command, which we'll be seeing in the next video. Stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. Thank you.